Okay, we finished that Sif and we Siman, and we start next Siman, number 13, and we start next Siman number 13. I apologize for interruption. And the topic is laws pertaining to the sanctity of the synagogue and study hall. That's very important. And as we were discussing before, that many people, they disrespect synagogue, like with the way they dress, let's say, when they come to the prayer, like in a sweatpants, sweatshorts, or the flip-flops. Okay. So CF number 1. The sanctity of the synagogue and the study hall is very great, and we are cautioned regarding them to conduct ourselves in them with a reverence due to the one who dwell inside them. HaShem, may his name be blessed. Okay. So there is commentary, and we're going to explain. In early times, the Beis HaKnesset synagogue was used for prayer only, and the Beis HaMedrash study hall was designed for studying the Torah. Okay, so basically they would study in a yeshiva and go pray to the synagogue. Okay, and in synagogue they would not study. So I'm not sure what they adjusted, what the next one next to another. I'm not sure. I mean, in general. All right. So basically, like the way you conduct in a synagogue, as we said before, that the formula should be very clear for everybody. If divine presence is there, I'm going to not going to behave the way I behave like among my friends, right? So you have to behave with reverence. If it's not there, well, why should you go there? Better go play pool with your friends. That's it. So it's the thing is very the choice is very clear. I mean, the options are very clear. This we learn from that which is written with regard to the holy temple in Vayikra 19:30, and my sanctuary shall you revere. HaShem said it's not good thing to do. It's not nice of you. It's not nice to be not. No, he said, my sanctuary you must revere. A synagogue and a study hall also refers to a mikdash, sanctuary, as it is written in Yechezkel 11:16. Yet I have been for them a small mikdash. Okay. Yet I have been, meaning Hashem speak, a small mikdash. And we expound in Megillah 29a regarding the Torah small mikdash. What is it? Okay. In Hebrew, mikdash miat. Mikdash miat, small mikdash. What does it mean? These are synagogue and study halls. So in Megillah says, well, what is small mikdash? Is synagogue and study hall. So it's like you go in the small base of mikdash, and even just if you think about it, so in base of mikdash they had menorah in Shul. I mean, I think in all of the shuls they have menorah, right? In all of the shuls they have the bima. So the bima is like an altar where you do sacrifices, right? And everywhere you have a curtain. If it's a door or curtain, that does not make any difference, right? It's still like separation. And behind that, you have Kodesh HaKadashim, you have Aron Kodesh, you have Torah scroll. So there are many similarities in the way they build what is it? Synagogue and a base of English. Okay. So let's see. There is one commentary. So the full verse reads, "Therefore say, thus said Hashem Elohim, though I have removed the Jewish people far away among the nations, and though I have scattered them among the lands, yet I have been for them a small mikdash in the lands where they arrived." Hashem assured the prophet Yechezkel that although the Jewish people have been sent to exile and will no longer have access to divine presence that rests in a sanctuary in Yerushalayim, he will rest in their presence, his presence among them in a small mikdash that they have in exile. So our shul, so we have to treat it as such. It's not it's a good advice. It is halacha. So we're going halacha here. So you have to understand that this shul is a miniature Beis Hamikdash. So, and if people do not behave there as they're supposed to, and you cannot rebuke them, and you're the youngest, and you're the newest, and you're this, and you're that, so just leave. It's in many cases, it's the choice is very clear. Unfortunately, it's clear and it's very painful. You have to stop them, or you have to leave, or not to be there. Unfortunately, I mean, on one hand, it's unfortunate. On another hand, it's if it's clear cut, it's easier life. The way I see it, right? Okay, so it said the synagogue and study halls are miniature sanctuaries in which divine presence is found. That's why we have to, as we learned last time. So you're not allowed to run in a synagogue. So you have to walk fast to the synagogue, but you're not allowed to run in a synagogue. Mm-hmm. Therefore, it is forbidden to engage in idle conversation in them, and one may not make the calculation inside them, except those related to mitzvah. So that's the big bomb, atomic bomb, as we understand. Such as accounting for charity funds and the like. Okay, so they say, you know what, we have roof leaking, so we need to fix the roof. How much? Stuff like that. How much the money we have? How much we don't have? We have to do this event in the shul. How much is this? How much is that? So this conversation about all others, about Trump, about not Trump, new one, old one, about all of this Israel coronavirus, absolutely forbidden. All of this under category of idle conversation.
It's the most popular conversation in shuls today, coronavirus and vaccination.
So that's exactly. Did you get vaccinated? When I say I did not get vaccinated, and I mean, I'm not in the shul, but they know not to talk to me in the shul. But when we left the shul, so Rabbi asked me, "Did you get?" I said, "I did not." So I mean, it's my personal choice. So basically, yeah, very good. So it's actually good when they know that somebody did not get vaccinated. The people do not come near it. Even though they all got vaccinated, there is not the only one. The only person who should worry is you. You understand? And they still worry. That's a problem. So that's the problem. So be afraid of HaShem and His presence. Don't.
He pointed out in his recent lecture that basically, and it's so true. Everybody just has an agenda. Nobody is coming from a point of view knowing the truth. It's about ego. Vaccination. Yeah, I know the best. I don't want vaccination. Yeah, I know the best for the society. It's like
exactly. So all right.
The point is debate, honestly, you know.
So okay. So one more time, all of the idle conversation are forbidden. So all of them, and you see people talking with tefillin on. That's the biggest disgrace possible. Yeah. So for us, what should we do? So try not to provoke anybody. Don't do eye contact. So you wrap your tefillin, you wrap your towels, just walk away. That's it. So if somebody wants to talk to you, sure, somebody who comes to me wants to talk, I show them to the door. So we go out to the kitchen, we go to the hall room. So we can go there. We can go there. You want to ask me the question? You can ask. Many people understand that I want to go outside. They don't want to go. So Baruch HaShem. So it's safe time. Okay, so continue. So only, as we said, only calculations in community matters. There is a widow, her husband died, we need to raise money. Okay, that's a community matter. Okay, continue.
Even that's not allowed, you said, right? Or
no. It would be allowed because it's for community matter. Community matter is allowed. Calculations, but this conversation, I would say it's maybe 0.0000001% of the time. The building also to be maintained in a dignified manner, to be swept, and to ensure that the earthen floor to be flattened down by sprinkling them water. So in all the days, if you learn Hilchas Shabbos. So you, I mean, not the modern book, not the more contemporary book that we learn, but when you learn this Kitzur in Mishnah Berurah, even in his time, in some shuls they could not afford the floors, right? So when everybody steps on this earthen floor, I mean it's not even. It's so you sprinkle water to make it look more presentable. Commentary. These examples are how cleanliness is maintained in a building with the earth floor, as was common in early times. Nowadays, synagogue and study halls must maintain according to the methods appropriate to them. So, meaning today, if they have, don't keep the earthen floor, do whatever they do, carpets, do wooden floor, whatever floor they do. The only problem is the stone floor. That's the biggest problem.
You can't wipe your feet on a stone floor?
Stone floor, like not ceramic one, but real, so like marble floor, because on Yom Kippur and Rosh Hashanah, when we bow down, that could be a problem. So it says that the prohibition is do not bow down on a stone floor. On a stone floor. So they say some our poskim say no, you have to lay down with your face down. That's what Tachanun is said. Tachanun, right? So and you have to spread your hands and the legs, and that's what we are doing in the Beis Hamikdash. So they say it's not like that, but some poskim they go stringent opinion and say even in our shuls, even if it's a stone floor, so they say put some what is it? Like a dry grass.
Dry grass.
The straw, like a straw. Put straw. Of course, in our time, so we can put some carpets and stuff like that. So it's like mussar. But put towel, right? But do not bow on a granite floor.
Granite, okay.
So that's
the reason. Is a particular reason for
Avodah Zarah. That's exactly how we were doing. So the only exception was Beis Hamikdash. Of course, and Beis Hamikdash, it was stone floor, and everybody bowed down like this. So we don't do it outside of the Beis Hamikdash.
If the problem is Avodah Zarah on Yom Kippur and Rosh Hashanah, why isn't it a problem the rest of the year?
No. It's the one only Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur is the only way. It's the only time when we bow. We don't bow on any other day.
Yeah, there's no other time you're bowing down. I mean, the Muslims copied it from us, and they said, "Oh, let's do it every day."
Exactly. That's exactly right. That's exactly the reason that we abolished it.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Not to look like that. Okay. So we said sprinkle water with them, and we must light candles in them as mark of honor. So in shul you have you should have more light. Okay, it is customary to put on light in a synagogue even before the first person comes to pray. Okay, so somebody this shamash, this paid individual should do that. Okay, one should not kiss his young children, and many people do this mistake. If you see, one should not kiss the young children in these sanctuaries, because it is not proper to show that they are any other love except for love of HaShem. May His name be blessed. So young children, so meaning you hug him, you kiss him, you tease him and stuff like that. So and it's very, very not proper, because when you in this place, like lechavdil, right? So if you are in an audience with a king, so nobody is looking at all of his assistants at the chandelier and stuff like that. So when king is there, when king is speaking, you all of the attention to him, not to your young children. You understand, or not everybody else.
Rabbi, I have a quick question. I don't know if it's like this in the Ashkenazim shuls, but the Sephardic shuls that I've been to, whenever there's been an aliyah performed, the congregant will shake everybody's hand. Are you allowed to shake their hand?
Yes, you're allowed.
Yeah.
But you see, the problem is the hugest problem. If it's done while I don't know, when there is an interruption. But many times when there is a bigger synagogue, and it's Ashkenazic shul, they do the same. But the problem is when it carries on, and they already start reading for the next aliyah, and this guy is happy as can be. He goes around, still shake the hands. That's the problem. That's the biggest problem.
Like everybody will go one by one.
So
adding, coffee on the side.
Exactly. So what I do, I just wave. Somebody say, I just wave, and I try to go. So don't do eye contacts. And so somebody say, you answer, just go as quickly as possible to the place. Because by this guy going around the shul, he provokes everybody, right? I mean, everybody is saying Chazak Baruch. I'm going to say Chazak Baruch and stick my hand there, right? Otherwise, it's disrespect. So by him going like all of the circles, that's they create this issue.